the hard way. Back in this time with another video, man. There's Will does way every day above ground good. They doing the legit way, no more ski man's way. I do apologize, man. I have not been posting. I haven't posted for at least over a month. I know there ain't nobody that's no excuse. If you want something, you gotta keep at it. I know, man. But I've been a lot of stuff I've been going through, personally, legally. You know what I'm saying? You know, so just all of that, man. But if y'all will, man, do your boy that solid. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the channel, man. Make sure you turn the notification bell on so you be notified every time I post. Right now, I'm in the process, man, of doing some other things. I don't know if I want to get into the camera. I don't know if I want to get into the phone, because the phone I've been recording on, man, it hasn't lately been letting me upload videos. It says I have too much storage on my phone. I've been trying to delete videos. I've been having some videos and stuff I don't want to delete. So if y'all end up getting videos that's maybe like a month or so ago, then that'll probably be why. Because I really feel bad because I haven't been doing it, man. And just lately, my whole morale about it just hasn't been all the way into it. But y'all just make sure y'all do that for me, man. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the channel, man. I'm going up all the rest 2021. Yeah, that's pretty much what that is. But y'all see your boy with the, you know what I'm saying, Success Nutrition shirt on, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you, yeah. But today, man, I'm going to get a tune-up, should I say. My car finally reached 100,000 miles, so it's about that time. And I didn't start modding my car until I was almost like 75,000 miles. So that's, you know what I'm saying, that's the case of that. But y'all do your boy that solid, man. If you're not following me on Instagram, man, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I want to say I want to do a giveaway at 100 subscribers, but I'm saying your boy still got a 9 to 5. You know what I'm saying? So my ends, you know what I'm saying, is kind of like, you know what I'm saying? Like, if it wasn't for YouTube, man, really, all the things I've done in my car, I really wouldn't have done it right away like that, honestly. You know what I'm saying? It would have been more of a prolonged kind of situation or thing, should I say. But, if you're just not tuning in, man, it's your boy Dre. I'm Dre the hard way. I go by Dre the hard way because everything I've done and got in my whole life, through my lifetime, I've got it the hard way. So I feel like that was only necessary, or that was only appropriate, should I say. But we'll get back into it, man. Y'all just make sure y'all turn that notification bell on and so y'all be notified every time I post. So I'm going to get spark plugs changed. I guess they're going to check all my fluids and everything like that right there. It's already been paid. Actually, I found it. Matter of fact, every place I went to, well, I didn't go to the dealership. But the one place I went to, man, mine and Kidman, they was talking about $2,000 for a tune-up. And I get the dude, he's a salesman, you know what I'm saying? They want to try to sell you extra things, you know what I'm saying, like that. But this thing got all kinds of stuff flying out the back of his. Look. Oh shit. Yeah, all kinds of stuff flying out the back of that truck. But yeah, man, he wanted to do flushes and all that, transmission flushes and all that. And one thing I did hear about the transmission flushes is that when people who do get the transmission flushes, their car don't run the same no more after that. This is what I've heard. I don't know how true it is, but that's just what I heard. So I don't know, man. So right now I'm going up to Grand Prairie. I found this little tune-up and spark plug chain thingamajigger on Groupon. So I decided to check them out, man. I'm gonna go out here. It's in Grand Prairie, so I'm on my way right now there. Going through Arlington right now, man. Y'all can see. You know what I'm saying? I don't really care for Arlington, because one, the police is so bad in Arlington. You know what I'm saying? But I'm just coming back on when I get there, man. We're gonna see what the business is, alright? Alright, you guys, so it looked like we done made it to the spot. 601 Main Street. So They ain't got a whole lot of cars up here, so I'm gonna go and check them out real quick. See what kind of job they do, man. But I'm trying to come back on in a minute. Just wanted to come and fill y'all in on tomorrow. What the place looks like, where we at. Alright, we're gonna go for that. I'm gonna turn this thing around, should I say. I'm going on here and see what they talking about. It's a little bitty place. So, alright, YouTube. So, you told me if I can come back by probably about 11 to 12. It's let's get that out of there. It's let's see what time it is right now. Yeah, I know. So it's 10:50 right now. It's almost 11. So I come back probably about 12. I'm gonna go give me something to eat. You know what I'm saying? Because I ain't really been eating, man. Like I said, I've been going through some things. You know what I'm saying? Unrelated YouTube things. So y'all forgive me for that. But make sure you smash that like button, man. Do me that. Can you do me that? Make sure y'all smash that like button. That'll go a long way for me, you hear me? But yeah, man, I'm gonna tap back in with y'all in a minute, man. Let me go get myself something to eat. I'm feeling like seafood, honestly, so I might just find me a nice little local seafood place. Ooh, in fact, we out here in Grand Prairie, so they got my favorite seafood, Captain D's. Anybody know about Captain D? Captain D got the best fish. Best fish, hands down. Speed with 35, you gotta slow down. So yeah, man, I'm gonna go over here to Captain D's, give me something to eat. Turn this camera back on when I come back out here, alright? Or come back over here, should I say. Alright, man, so I done made it back up here. I want to see what's going on, what they got going on. So, I don't know, we're gonna check them out. I read the reviews, man, they got good reviews, so we're gonna see what's going on. What you say, Chief? All right, how about you? All right, gang, so I done made it back to the shop. Like I said, it's, I don't know what the name of this place is. They don't even really have a name. I think it's, let's see. But I don't really have a name. It's a 601 West Grand Prairie Main Street. But from what I read from the reviews, man, they got good reviews. So I believe they might do a good job. I don't know, but you can see, man, look at my baby. They got some dude up here in the Charger, so let's see what's going on. Yeah, I guess their name right there, GP Auto Care, one stop, one shop. I'm gonna see if I can zoom in on that probably. GP Auto Care. That's the name of GP Auto Care. So I need work done, man. You come on up here, man. Y'all gotta holler at them. When I see some young guys up here, they know what they doing. They love cars. Getting everything taken off. It's time, man. It's time for a tune-up. I've been putting this off for so long. So, man, it's just ridiculous. So I said, man, I'm check back in with y'all a little bit. Let y'all know what the outcome is. You know what I'm saying? Time's coming back on. Oh yeah, man. We all good, bro? All good. We got everything back on. Yeah, man, like I was saying, so wheel alignments, auto care, AC service, brake service, the whole complete auto care, man, is what they do. Like I said, GP Auto Care. I'm gonna zoom in on that sign one more time. Yes, sir. I'm gonna zoom in. So, I need any kind of auto body work done, man, or any kind of just work done to your car with an oil change, anything like that, man. GP Auto Care, come on up here, man. They're gonna take care of it. They're gonna get you right. They will come in and talk to you, let you know everything that's going on with your car. In this case, just before they need to, I guess before if you need, if you have any additional things wrong with your car, they will, you know what I'm saying, let you know what's going on, man. But let's see what's going on. Yes, sir. But like I said, man, they 601 West Main Street, Grand Prairie, Texas. Sound real good. Yes, sir. So like I said, they will take care of it. Like I said, man, they got all young dudes. This is the first, to be honest, this is the first mechanic shop I went to that had all young guys in here working on cars. So that's a good thing. But yeah, man, make sure y'all give them a holler, man. Me, actually, honestly, I ordered or I bought my thing off Groupon. And one thing Groupon didn't tell me, what they didn't put was they only I think the Groupon's only for 4 or 6 spark plugs, whatever. Well, you know, mine, the Dodge Challenger, the V8s, they have 16, 8 on one side, 8 on the other side. So you know how that works. So it's gonna be a little bit more extra, but which is fine, because I think $300 or $400 versus $2,000 or $800 a whole better price, man. But make sure y'all do that for me, man. I'm turning the camera back on, man. We're gonna hit the road. All right, you guys. So they got me right, man. We finna see what this thing driving like now. Big difference. I ain't got it in sport. Let me put it in sport. Let me get that wind out of there. Oh yeah. Sounds a whole lot better. I can definitely tell the difference, man. It ride a whole lot better too. My response. But man, when he started that thing up, I could tell the difference then when it started up. You know what I'm saying? So this was definitely most needed. So, but man, it's gonna be a wrap for this video, man. I'm finna head on back. Back to my side of town. You know what I'm saying? So just make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the channel, man, because I'm going up all the rest of 2021, 2022, all that. So oh yeah, man, it's your boy Dre the hard way, man. There's a will, there's a way. Every day above ground is good. They doing a legit way now. No more ski man's way. I'm out this thing. Peace.